How can you use two apps at the same time at once on the iPad? Let me show you how it works. And if you're new here, subscribe and you'll never miss anything important. So it kind of depends on your iPad model. Some of the older ones may not support it, but I think it should work on most devices. So you just go to the settings at first, and on the left panel, you need to find the section for multitasking and gestures. And there are like three options to pick from. The first one is full screen apps, right? And in this mode, you don't have the ability to multitask or work with two or even more apps at once. And then we have the windowed apps, which is actually what I would recommend you to click on and enable. And then we have the stage manager, which also kind of works the same way, with the difference that you have like the open windows on the left. Not the biggest fan of it. So if you just want to use the two apps at once, just go to the windowed apps mode and make sure you have that selected. And now it's pretty simple. Once that we have that turned on, we just need to decide which apps we want to use at the same time. So let's say I open up the photos in the full screen, and right now I have even a few ways how to make that work, but the easiest one is to just grab the corner in the bottom right portion of the display like this and make it smaller. So let's say that I'm gonna fit it to the left like this, and now I'm gonna minimize the apps and open another one. So I'm gonna go to the App Store, for example, and with this one I'm gonna do the same thing where I just grab the corner, and now I have two apps which I can resize, move on the top of each other, and interact with at the same time. If you want to access the perfect split view where we're not wasting any time of any like space of the screen, then you can just grab one window, flick it to the side, and also do it the same way with the other. And now we have it perfectly split, and you can even adjust the ratio. And now you are using two apps at the same time. So yeah, there are plenty of ways where you can get even more out of it. Like you can tap on the three dots and click on the green button to expand it, and you know, you can see plenty of ways you can customize it and work with it. So yeah, I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. I'm gonna wrap it up, and I'll see you in the next videos too.